Hey guys, Jennifer McCune here. I am coming to you live today because I wanted to share this great hack that I learned about that I thought would be super helpful to you. So some of you may have seen a few weeks ago that I did a video on my favorite Zoom instant Instagram finish makeup. It's called Radiant Defense. So it's this wonderful, and I use two different shades. I use the cream as kind of like a highlighter in here, and then I use the beige as kind of more on the outside. And we have this great brush that you can get with it, and it comes with this thing here that can either, when you're traveling, it can go around your brush, or when you're not traveling, you have it like this and it serves as a great stand for your counter. So then the other thing we have when we're using this great Radiant Defense, and I'll post the video in the comments below because I really highly recommend it. It's super fast and easy, takes like a minute, you don't look makeup-y, but you need to be cleaning your brush. So there's this great thing you can do, and it's a wonderful at-home easy thing. All you need is water and vinegar and dishwashing dish soap detergent. So just do a quarter cup of water, a quarter cup of vinegar, and then you take your dish soap and you put it in. That's it, and it kind of mixes through. And then you take your brush and you just swish your brush around in. And it's really kind of fascinating. I don't know if you can see how cloudy all of a sudden that's getting. And you guys saw the brush before. You can still see a little bit. There's some stuff coming out. And then you might want to get some sort of, like I have this thing that's really helpful. It looks like this. And then you can just kind of swish off and just keep on working it through. But really the trick is the vinegar and the water, and it doesn't have to be a quarter cup. It's just equal amounts of both, and then just a squirt of the dishwashing detergent. And so let me just show you here. So I'm just going like this and just letting the water come off of it. And then if you look here, it's just like all beautiful and clean now. So, and I'm going to just rinse that out, obviously, under regular water, but it's really nice. It's super easy, and that's all there is to it. Yeah, and it's cheap, and there you go. So anyways, I hope this helps some of you. If you've been using makeup brushes really once a week, it's super easy way to do. Enjoy!